If you're a builder using AI every day, there's a good chance that you've been using it wrong. Not because you're bad at AI, because almost everyone is making the same mistake. Recent research suggests around 76% of UK builders are now using AI in some form. That sounds like great news, until you ask one simple question. How much money has this actually made me? For most businesses, the answer is very little, and here's why. Most people are using AI as what I call fancy Google. You ask a question, it gives you an answer. You then copy and paste it. Then you move on with the rest of your day. And let's be clear, there's nothing wrong with that. It's useful, it's quicker than searching the internet, but that's where the value stops. Now, before we go any further, a quick bit of context. If you've not met me before, I'm Jody Murfit. I live here in North Norfolk, England. I spent more than 30 years working in construction before founding Construction Times AI. Today, I help builders, trades, and small business owners figure out where AI actually pays back and where it does not. So let's look at why most businesses hit this ceiling and how to get past it. The AI doesn't know your business. It doesn't know your customers. It doesn't know your pricing, and it doesn't know your team. It doesn't know which jobs make you money. Every conversation you have starts from scratch. Imagine this, hiring a new employee every morning, then sending them home every evening to not come back. That's effectively what most people are doing with AI. The businesses seeing real results use it very differently. Instead of asking random questions, they build repeatable workflows. The AI begins to understand how their business operates. It helps them prepare quotes, drafts emails, it follows up inquiries, it organises information, keeps records up to date, and it supports the people already doing the work. Not replacing them, it removes repetitive tasks so your team can actually focus on some of the work that really matters. That's a completely different way of thinking. Firstly, does it know my business? Not just today's question, my actual business, my customers, my pricing, and our way of working. Secondly, does it touch the workflow? Does anything actually happen because the AI produced that answer? Or does it simply create another piece of text for me to copy and paste somewhere else? And thirdly, does it get checked? Because AI is incredibly capable, but it can also be confidently wrong. Anything leaving your business, whether it's going to a client, a supplier, or a subcontractor, should always have a human review before it is sent. If your current AI users fail any of these three questions, you're probably still using fancy Google. And that's completely normal. Most businesses are. But here's the thing. I'm not telling you to back off AI at all. Completely the opposite. I want more of you trying these things, testing things, and fitting AI to how your business actually runs. And get the people around you on it too. Mates in the trade, your son or daughter who are on the books, office staff, team members, family who run their own businesses. They don't have to learn anything new. They don't have to change the work. Just take what they already do every day and ask AI to help with it. Simply start there. See what sticks. The good news is this. There's also where the biggest opportunity is. You don't need another AI subscription. You don't need to get another chatbot. You don't need another prompt library. You need one workflow, one repetitive task, one process your business completes every single week. Build that properly, measure the result, then we build the next one. Small improvements compound far quicker than most people realise. That's exactly the way we approach AI at Construction Times AI. Never by replacing people. By helping good businesses get their time back. Craft first, tech second, people always. Bye.